Okay, good morning once again. Since this is due to public demand, together with Barbie, as you can see, ipapan lang po namin how beautiful it is, the Mehan Garden now. Wait lang. So, this is how the beautiful Mehan Garden is. So, the last time is, so sorry just because we didn't what? Yes, record it right. So, Barbie, once again, kasi it's due to public demand, no? Jojowain and Totropahin. I'm gonna mention some of name coming from all walks of life. Sasabihin mo lang sa akin kung Jojowain or Totropahin. Piolo Pascual.
Jojowain.
Why Jojowain, Barbie? Let's walk,
Ano
Barbie.
ba? It's Papa P.
Okay. Kuya Bada. Kuya Bada.
Totropahin.
Bye.
Friendship.
Okay. Okay. One of yung guard na look like Coco Martin. I forgot the name.
Ano ba?
The guard, the new guard on the outside of of the country. The guard.
Totropahin.
Totropahin, Barbie. Okay. May sinabi ka na bang jojowain?
Wali. Ay, si Papa P.
Si Papa P. Okay, Barbie, this is your favorite sign eh.
Yeah.
Meaning, this is your favorite because you're in love.
Yes.
Okay, sabi kasi sa akin ni Barbie, I guess hindi kita masusuportahan because I'm so sad. Pero I would like you to know that I'm very thankful kasi despite the fact that she was suffering from depression right now, pero she can make it. Okay, pipicturean kita dahil ng sinabi ko. The last is, may mention ako. Last na lang to. Kinakabahan siya sa tanong ko, jojowain o totropahin? Parang hindi ko kaya. Ikaw na lang, sino? Mamili ka. Sa admin, ha?
Sa admin. Wali.
Wala. So, talagang ano lang tayo. Yan, dyan naman ako believe na dapat walang mali siya. Okay, pipicturean na kita dito. Spread the love, viewers, no? Just be busy to avoid insecurity. Bye-bye. Okay, Barbie, I'm gonna take your picture.